Hello, my name is Bijanca Star and welcome to NFT Time, where I spill the tea on the latest news in the NFT community. All right, business model buster. NFTs are just that. Bobby Hundreds, who is a streetwear and lifestyle brand guru, says that the old model that his community was accepting was that he would get all of the income, he would get all of the perks from having this business brand, from having this streetwear brand. They would buy into him and he would collect all of that money. Now, he says, given the nature of NFTs, what this allows is a new business model. His customers, his community can now directly benefit from the community doing well. Anytime they share his brand, anytime they buy his products, they might have a digital asset that can increase in value, giving back to the community that gives to him. Business model buster, NFTs. Let's go. Play to earn games like Axie Infinity are allowing Unbanked in some countries in Southeast Asia to bypass dealing with traditional banks. What this means is that play to earn games, a way in which you literally play games to earn crypto, are allowing people to either bypass banks altogether and just use their play to earn coins as currency, or to have an easier on-ramp into traditional banks by allowing them to showcase that they, yes, have income. Because traditional banking has been challenging for certain people to enter, this is really bullish sign for allowing people to be part of this financial space and not just looking past them. SEC is catching wind of NFTs and regulation is still somewhat in the air. SEC does not know what to do with NFTs. They do not know how to categorize them. Within the next 6 to 12 months, it's going to be really interesting to see what regulations look like. It's going to be really interesting to see if they use old models in order to brand this new technology. We'll see. And lastly, Pirate Chain. This is not a paid ad, but I am bullish on Pirate Chain. They are a privacy coin. If you know anything about anything that you know, in my opinion, the number one currency in the world is privacy. So check it out and do your own research. Speaking of, the word of the day is do your own research. What does that mean? Take ownership for your life. Be in control of yourself and rely on yourself for the investments that you make. See you later.